Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and in great health. I am Sonali ma'am, and today we are going to learn English. So, children, in earlier sessions, you have learned digraph AI and EE words, and you have learned consonant blends, BL and CL words. Right? So, today I am going to teach you FL words. How do you say FL together? F says fur, L says l, and when they come together, two friends come together, it becomes fl. F and L together becomes fl. Repeat after me, children. Fl. Very good. So, before we go ahead and see the FL words, let's revise and read the CL words once more. So children, these are the CL words which you have written earlier. Let's read them once more. Clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. C-L-O-S-E, close. C-L-A-S-S, class. CLOWN, clown.
Now, children, I will show you some pictures that will help you to understand the FL words better. Flag, flag. Flag, flag. A flag is a piece of cloth which is attached to a pole and is used as a sign or symbol, especially of a country. Flame, flame. Flame, flame. It is the visible part of a fire. It gives light and heat. Flock, flock. Flock, flock. A number of birds of one kind feeding, resting, or traveling together are called a flock of birds. Floor, floor. Floor, floor. The lower surface of a room on which one walks is called a floor. Fly, fly. It is an insect which moves through the air using its wings.
Let's start writing FL words. First, we'll write the date on the left side corner of the page. Today's date is 2/2/22.7.2020. On the same red line outside the margin, we'll write the title. So leave 2 finger space, write F, L, 1 finger space, W, O, R, D, S. FL words. Now we will draw 3 lines. Take the help of a ruler and we will draw 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. 3 lines will give us 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns. We will start writing on the first column. Okay children, so let's start writing the first word. Flag, flag. So make a curve from the red line, come down to the second blue line, across, red line to blue line L, blue line to blue line A, make a curve, come up and down, and G, make a curve, come up and come all the way down to the red line and make a curve. FLAG, flag. A flag is a piece of cloth which is attached to a pole and is used as a sign or symbol, especially of a country. Next word is flame, flame. So from the red line, make a curve, come down in a straight line to the second blue line, across, red line to second blue line L, make a curve, come up and down A, Make a standing line and make a curve. Touch the blue line. Make one more curve. M and blue line to blue line. E. Flame, flame. It is the visible part of a fire. It gives light and heat. Next word is flock. So again we make a curve from the red line, come down, across, red line to second blue line, L, blue line to blue line, O, make half a curve, blue line to blue line, C, red line to blue line, standing line, K, and put your pencil in the middle of the standing line, make a slanting line up. On the slanting line, leave a little gap and make another slanting line, K. Flock, flock. A number of birds of one kind feeding, resting, or traveling together are called a flock of birds. Next word is floor. So make again an F, curve, come down, across, red line to blue line, L, blue line to blue line, O, blue line to blue line, O, blue line to blue line, standing line, come up and make a curve. Floor, floor. The lower surface of a room on which one walks is called a floor. Last word is fly. So again we make a curve from the red line, come down to the second blue line, make an F, across, red line to second blue line, L. Now a slanting line from blue line to blue line, another slanting line, blue line to red line, Y. Fly. It is an insect which moves through the air using its wings. So children, let's read it one more time. Flag, flag. Flag, flag. Flame, flame. Flame, flame. Flock, flock. Flock, flock. Floor, floor. Floor, floor. Fly. All these 5 words, children, please read it with the spellings nicely and write it in the second column, third column and fourth column. So children, I hope you have understood the FL words that we wrote today. Please write it neatly 3 times in your book and we will meet again tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.